Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to, I'm assuming, the first of many Nest With Me videos. So on this week, it's over a span of a couple of days, we started the nursery. We made a decal wall to look like wallpaper, and we assembled the crib, we got the mattress, we did some laundry, and I got some baby products. So I thought I would just take you along on the journey. So let's get to nesting. So I was looking into those peel and stick wallpapers that are supposed to be really easy to install and then take down if you want to, and they're wildly expensive. So I was looking into other options, and my friend Katie actually has these black triangle decals in her son's room, and I asked her about them and she sent them to me, and they are just little black triangles, but it looks like wallpaper when you put them all up. And so we kind of did, I think we did 6 inches apart, but then we did staggered lines. So you'll kind of get an idea, but Bradley did use his level and his ruler to map out little dots, and he marked it on the wall with a pencil, and then we just stuck the triangles right on top of that dot. And what's nice about this is maybe some people are looking really closely, but it doesn't have to be super perfect. It just kind of, I don't know, it lends itself to looking nice when it's all up and done. It looked way better than I thought it would. Halfway through, I was like, oh, they're too far apart. But I thought any closer together, in the end, it would have looked too busy and gave me a headache or made me dizzy, you know? And I do apologize for the camera. I switched cameras eventually because I was realizing it was having a hard time focusing. But yeah, so we just measured everything out, and then we stuck the triangles on. I figured it was unsafe for me to stand on the chair being pregnant and all, so I just did the ones I could reach in the middle. I was doing some of the ones lower down, but also bending over sucks so bad right now, so I kind of did the 4 I could reach, and then Bradley did the rest of it. So this is a pretty tiny wall, and I ended up needing 2 orders of the sheets. I will link them down below. They're very inexpensive on Amazon. I think 1 pack, which is 4 sheets, is $8 or $10, somewhere around there. But we did need 2 packs in order to finish the wall, so we do have extra. But again, this room is pretty small. If you have a bigger room, you will need, the 2 packs. So I will link those down below. But yeah, we were just finishing it up, our last row. You also see us filming on the phones because I wanted to put together a little reel for my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, it's at Amy Lynn Budchin, and we're making fun reels. But yeah, this is what it looks like after. I love the way it turned out. I think it's really evenly spaced. It's not too much, it's not too little, and I just am obsessed. I love the way it looks. So this is our crib. It is the gold metal crib by Jubilee, I think. If I can find it, I will link it down below. It's a converter crib. It converts twice, which is really cool. It was non-toxic and all that. So I really wanted a gold crib regardless of gender, and I found one that I love, and I'm so happy with it. So, we haven't used it that much yet, but I love it. Moving on, as you can see, I cannot get on the floor without my very happy, very loving golden doodle wanting to lay in my lap. I wanted to sort and do some laundry because I ordered the crib mattress, so I wanted to order the crib sheet, or wash the crib sheet. So I decided I have a few things of clothing given to us by friends and family, or things we've bought that we love, all different sizes and stuff, but it's all stuff that I definitely want to keep, so I was okay cutting the tags off. So I sat down to sort a little bit of laundry. It's a lot of Disney stuff, or cheap Target new born onesies. This is a cute In-N-Out baby fry thing my best friend Chassie gave me. and a blanket, which Ludo absolutely needed to be wrapped in immediately. This is a llama blanket that my mother gave us. It's so sweet. Some bibs, some just like nightgown, not nightgown, but you know, sleep things, onesies, all that kind of stuff. Got these cute Mickey ones from Target. I would just absolutely die. So cute. So yeah, I'm just sorting some laundry. Then I just threw everything in the washer. I did 2 different loads, darks and like colors. I'm really not that picky when it comes to separating laundry, I'll tell you right now, because I've just never had an issue. I don't know if I'm cheating the system, but this is the laundry soap we use, 7th generation. There's no nasty ingredients in it, no fragrances, dyes, anything synthetic, so I feel safe using it on my baby clothes. And it does come unscented, but we have the citrus scent, so I am just getting that started. And then, of course, once it's done, I'm going to change it over. It really has been life-changing having our own laundry situation instead of the shared apartment one. It's just been incredible. So we had some sheets left in the dryer from the last load, our sheets. And to dry things, we cut... oh, Ludo's helping me and he stopped for a kiss, which is so sweet. We cut out dryer sheets because apparently they're one of the most toxic things you could possibly use. I do have these hedgehog buddies that are supposed to help with static. I just recently got these, so I don't know how well they work, but I do love wool dryer balls. And for his clothes, I'm putting a little bit of the Young Living Seedlings Calm oil on it. I kind of, well, normally when it's my clothes, I put a lot more than that, but I do smell the oil when I put it on the dryer ball. So yeah, and then I'm throwing in the second load. And while we're talking baby products, I have started stocking up on some baby things. I'm part of Young Living's Essential Rewards program, so I make an order each month, and I added the Seedlings baby wipes to my order. They smell so good. This is like all their baby line, and it all has the same scent. It's called Seedlings, but I got this baby wash and shampoo. I love how it smells, and I love that it has a pump. A bitch loves a pump. I got the linen spray, which smells the exact same. It basically smells like very light lavender. It smells very nice, but nothing overpowering, of course. And it's all diluted and safe for babies, and it's non-toxic, so it's great. And then some diaper rash cream, because those are loaded with nasty ingredients, so I want to try as many more natural ones as I can. So I loaded up on some Young Living baby things. And then this was a different day, but Bradley was nice enough to fold the laundry for me because it sat there for a couple of days, and he's like, I'll just fold this. And I was like, great, thank you. So, and he's much better at folding laundry than me. He really is. So he's just folding everything, all the tiny cute baby clothes. And then we were ready to open and put in the crib mattress. Ludo, I find him in the nursery all the time because he really wants this rainbow plush Mickey that we got for the baby. He looks like Winnie the Pooh with his butt sticking out. He also just loves to be under things, so it is not going to surprise me if he naps under the crib while the baby naps. He loves being under things. I thought it was so cute though. But I do catch him in there all the time looking at Mickey. He's got to learn. It's not for him, buddy. But we got the crib mattress. I ordered it from Bye Bye Baby. I don't remember exactly the one I got. I'll link it down below, but I did hella research. Oh, Bradley's trying to get in the crib, which I didn't allow. And then he put the dog in the crib, which also we're probably going to wash the sheet again before the baby comes because it's a while and they can get dusty. But, yeah, I did a lot of research on a very safe and non-toxic mattress, so I can link that down below. But yeah, this is all we've got so far. I do obviously have a lot more to get, but I'm just trying to set up as we go so nothing seems overwhelming. This is a Burt's Bees crib sheet. It is so soft. I registered for a lot of them. I love it so far. And yeah, this is what we've done with the nursery so far with the triangles and the gold crib. And yeah, every time I walk by it, I just get so happy. It has good vibes, and Ludo loves it too. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video for the nesting, but I will definitely be back as I have tons more to do. We are having a drive-by shower, so as soon as like gifts start to come in and I'm prepping everything and we get more furniture and all that, so you can expect more of these if you like them. Let me know in a comment below. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.